So many popcorn. Brotherhood of love,
the brotherhood of love,
the brotherhood of success,
the brotherhood of success,
the brotherhood of fame,
the brotherhood of fame,
the brotherhood of blessings,
the brotherhood of blessings,
beyond all imagination,
beyond all imagination,
the brotherhood of dollars,
the brotherhood of dollars,
the brotherhood of pounds,
the brotherhood of pounds,
the brotherhood of euro.
the brotherhood of euros.
When you join the brotherhood, all this kind of riches will be given to you. Any denomination that you seek from the brotherhood will be given to you. Protection will also be given to you. Alison, maybe I will pull a bell and let me don't say bell born a bell at you shake. I'll be more park. You know, Capato, I can go scare Bapanan. Okay, take it on and dear so. Kamishimo Bakubia, so no Kubia, Banam Kubia, and Bell Kubia, no Park and Wagumro Pala Bolaga, Belagunum for the Yafu Bimbio Fukatarapanga. Ajua amna pama mwata zibagba kubika nebia asara kumbal mana chimbo kumbal mafana ndemi chati fo nyina ewe wiase we nyina nipa de no mohwe me emi nipa de no mantima hwe me wo fidie so ndemi ka ade amatie fo de no mofre me secret society de na Zurich brotherhood no. You are all welcome into the brotherhood of Zurich as the grandmasters from different countries. Today you have come, I have called all of you to come for me to tell you the necessary things that you're supposed to know when a member comes to you for initiation or when a member comes to you for help to be part of the brotherhood. There are requirements involved. The person has to be initiated into the brotherhood. The person has to be initiated into the brotherhood. But remember one thing in the brotherhood. We never use human being for sacrifice. The purpose of this brotherhood was given to me by my ancestors, by my grandfathers, to let every person know that when you are joining the brotherhood, you need protection from your enemies and open all your chances for you. And above all, you become rich. That is the priority of every human being joining the brotherhood of Zurich. Ufa hu ade ama brotherhood no ye bon hu ban agi we free utamfo sem abie ukwan ma wo na wanye sika aka ho ye mfa nipa ade aye amamre. Never let any human being use his fellow human being for initiation. Nde mechia mu nyina nipa de no mobile. I give you the welcome to the brotherhood again. I give you the sign of the brotherhood. I cross my forehead and I cross my chest. I give you the brotherhood across my forehead and across my chest. I give you the brotherhood across my forehead and across my chest. I give you the sign of the brotherhood across my forehead and across my chest. Tiefo nyina nde meka ade ama nipa we nipa bebre de no mo hwem nde. We nyina omo ye ade de no fa omo ho ade afama ekuo no na ya agi omo ho ban. Na ya agi omo efre omo tamfo. Na ya bia omo kwa ade ama omo na omo anye sika. Me pese tie form nim say wa join the brotherhood of Zurich no. Wonti na se apa otida. Wonti na se ensuda. Ahoto gidie ene ekwan ubekọ enim na de na opa wiase we nyina enye wodie. Nde me ka dia matie fo nyina. Me pese omo ngi se asem de na mbefa dia ama omo nde na omo afa dia akọ omo krom akoko kasa de ama nipa bia de no mo ye member ewo ekuo no omo nyina ye grand masters na omo fro krum different aba nde na ebe ya amamre na mbeka asem ade ama omo na omo afa ade akofie me pese me kan kire mo nyina. I want to tell all of you who are the grand masters of the Brotherhood of Zurich, whoever is entitled to join the Brotherhood of Zurich, so far as the person is capable to know his left and right, the person is capable to know how money is sweet. People come to you not because of money. People come to you because of protection and guidance. Whoever come to you in the Brotherhood for protection and guidance, grant him all his wish. Perform all the rituals to the spirit that I have given to all of you, and make sure that whatever the person is doing, the person know what he is doing. And let the person know that whatever he is doing, he doesn't use any human being for sacrifice. I have done all the rituals. I have given you all the spirit. If somebody comes to you to seek for help, let the person know the item that is involved to become a member in the Brotherhood. Let the person know the things that he is going to buy, so that it will be initiated, so that everything that he desires in life will become possible. Nipa bia de no ba aba be fa no ho ade ama Brotherhood no. Ombe bonu hu ban agina efri ni tamfo nsem ebie ni kwan ma ye mfa nipa ade aya amamre ade ama Brotherhood no. Da bi ye Brotherhood no ye gi nipa efri ni tamfo asem ebie ni kwan ma no na wanye sika ade aka ho. Whoever comes to you after you have done all the sacrifice, you have to let the person know that so far as he's a member in the Brotherhood, he has to love himself. He has to love his fellow brother like the way he loves himself. All the rules that is govern the Brotherhood doesn't want death. He should be protected. You fortify the person with all this kind of spirit, so that the person will be protected beyond all imagination, and success will become ours of the Zurich Brotherhood. We fortify the person who comes to the Brotherhood. We open all his chances for him, and above all, he makes money from the Brotherhood. There is nothing on earth that can fight him. He will become untouchable. He will become unlimited power. He will be granted by the Brotherhood of Zurich. I want to tell the whoever who is interested to be part of the Brotherhood of Zurich, when you join the Brotherhood of Zurich, you will never regret it. You will be fortified. You yourself will sit and knock your chest and say that today you are a man. You will knock your chest and say that today you have joined the lineage of men of power. Whatever you desire in life will become possible for you. Nipa de na ofa ne hu ade ama ekuo no. Ahoto beye ne die. The Brotherhood is a brotherhood of unity. The brotherhood of love. The brotherhood of success. The brotherhood of protection. We love each other. Today I want people to know that the Brotherhood is a brotherhood of unity. Brotherhood of success and brotherhood of love beyond all imagination. I want people to see the love and the unity that we are going to exhibit here from the spirit beyond, who are going to give us that protection, that unity that we love from each other. I place it on top of the spirit. I want everybody to see from the calabash the unity, the love that the Brotherhood is going to give it to us, for us to grant us our wish in life. Alexandra ebila wolen pole ebila wolen lole jino kapato ekagbono kanske yerba pna titomno pa lebgol jamno pa jandi yitimamno pa fantama. The love and the prosperity that every human being desire in life should be granted to you, all the members in the Brotherhood of Zurich. I want this drink that the Spirit has given to us to remove all dirtiness and fortify us beyond all imagination, and let our enemies be rendered, and let our enemies to see us prosperity, and life will go forward with us. I take it from the Grandmasters. all the powers that you seek from the Zurich Brotherhood will be given to you as you requested. Now we are proceeding to the spirit room for them to do their annual rituals, so that whatever we seek, all the power that they seek, for them to be protected, their members, in wherever they are coming from. Now that is what the ritual that we are going to do now. So I want them to see how rituals I'm going to do, so that whatever they decide and whatever they will do for each and every member of the brotherhood will be done for them. Ente bor bukata mal gon kana napte san yul zan chan kan tanse ne kan ni rusora te chobu yulle ka taba ka chobu tumba yo bu nyamba so teba na o ma isika o ma gwaran da baba su chance onji o mo ifro mo ta ko se bi o mo ma no ma mo ma da skani they should fortify them and grant them their wish and take them over any demonic spirit, any knife cut, any weapon, nothing on earth should happen to them. All the spirit that they desire in life should be granted to them. They are all members, they are all grandmasters who have come from different countries today to your place to seek for spiritual backers, because they are returning back. You have to fortify them and uplift them in spiritual rank, so that nothing can befall them, and success and blessings will be ours. Shino kapato ya kagondo kanske ya papunane. Ajua amra pa mami wata zibba bakupika nebia. Wagumro pa la bolga. Wherever you are, I want you to come very fast today and receive the sacrifice that they are granting for you. And let their wishes be granted to them. The wishes of love, the wishes of success, the wishes of prosperity, the wishes of riches and wealth should be given to them, and whatever they desire should be granted to them. I summon you wherever you are. You should run quickly and come early and receive their sacrifice and grant them the wishes that they desire, the backings, the power, the love, the success, the command that they desire for. That is why they are here today, to uplift themselves again, so that they can take care of every member who is enhanced into their hands, so that their wishes will be granted. Alizinba, ibira wula mpole, ibira wula lori, ibira ndono zeka boni, ibira tenu mshaka, Alizinba, ibira wula mpole, ibira wula lori, ibira ndono zeka, ibira bobani ya. Ozura ni mpokani. Ojana ba, ababe fuma hawadi ya monde. Sobeti mayani ya mami, sobeti mayani ya mami yenyina. Pese undi omichi, adako bide mufubaye. Asembia de no muhia efrom wunjai. Send them out to I want you to grant them the power that they desire beyond all imagination. I want you to fortify them in every spiritual rank they desire, because they are representing and his wish is not being granted. I want you to grant them their wish and let success be ours. This spirit of the land, I want you to fortify them in every land that they walk through. Let the power, the blessing that they desire, the fame will be given to them, and success be ours, and glory will come to you as whatever you have done for so many people today.
The hand washing first. Squat again.
Alison, my villa will pull it, I will do the gun to say, Bonnie, better than you. The fortification that they desire, the riches that they desire, the protection that they desire, the fame that they desire. I want you to grant them and let whatever they desire in life become successful and glory into you in whatever we desire. You have never put us in shame, and I know that you will never put us in shame. Let success be ours. I want them to wash all the debt that is in them. And glorify success. I want them to wash your hand into it. Fortification beyond all imagination from knife cut and invitation given to you and glory should be yours. Fortification and knife cut should be given to you as a glory from the Spirit. Fortification from knife cut and everything should be given to you. Fortification and knife cut and everything should be given to you, and nothing will be distracted. All the debt that is from you should be cleaned up from the spirit of judgment. How be as an energy which in the one in a same body be as an energy which in the one in the to me, Pia over Friday and coffee, a better which are coffee. You pardon now here in our Sabaka. Now we come here in the demonic spirit and all the blessings that you desire from the spirit will be given to you. And all the dirtiness that you possess from your body will be removed and success be ours. Shino ekapato ekagondo kanske ya papanani. Place it into your hand of success and love. I place it into your hands of riches and protection. I give you the spirit of blessings of riches. I give you the spirit of power and imaginations. Shino ekapato ekagondo kanske ya papanani. Ojiragba. We are revealing this power. Whatever we desire in life should be us. I want you to accept our prayers and grant us our wish of love, our wish of success, our wish of riches, and let riches be ours. And let us enjoy all the good things that you are doing for us. All the spirit that they desire, I want you to grant them. And let success be ours wherever you are. I want you to come as quick as possible and receive the sacrifice that we are giving to you. And let blessing become ours. Grant quickly. So many popcorn. Today we have given you the power of fight for you to reveal all the secrets on earth. Whoever is going to fight them in a spiritual way should reveal the person's secret, like the way I'm revealing the secret of this flower. And let our success be ours. Wherever you are, I want you to accept our prayers and grant us the wish of love, a wish of success, the wish of riches and power and fame. And give me the sacrifice. I'm not for mommy what I said about Ajua, I'm not for mommy what I said about Kubi Canivia. Ajua, amna pa mami wata, zigbagba kubika nebia. I want you to grant them the wish of love, the wish of success, wish of prosperity. And grant them their wish and let success become ours. Whatever they desire from you, I want you to bring happiness, success, and the way this is sweet for them. Open all our chances and love, whatever business we do should flourish. And grant us our wish beyond eternity and make success become ours. Ajua amna pa mami wata zigbagba kubika nibia. Pasara kumbala mana chimbo kumbala mana kumbala mafana kumbala maka. You can set me on fire kuma fama tere. Maybe I will. Let them say. If he say God Spirit, let us know. If he say Spirit, let us know. Zigbagba kubika nebia. Whatever we desire should be given to us in glory, and fortification beyond all imagination should be given to us. Singa ampai bo mami watan so kontemporan tem nugba muno pa kan kanya. O kiti onandiasu kabishe muno pa kubia. So non kubia bukana kubia nubia kubia no ko muno pa kan kanya. O kiti onandiasu. Ojiragba. The wisdom of men is they have come to seek for riches from a silver platter. They have come to seek for riches beyond all imagination. They have come to seek for blessing beyond all imagination. They have come to seek for power beyond all imagination. They are all grandmasters of different countries who have come today, and the belief that you have for them, I want you to fortify them. Whatever work they will do on behalf of you, you should grant them the power and let success be hours. And the omaba, a person bo mo ban. Empeja omo e wo sumsum asem. Nde omo nyina agina ade ama wo e wo krombia de no be ko akokotena so. A initiate nipa bebre ama ahoto enye nipa de. Brotherhood nde yebeka brotherhood na asem ade ama tiefo nyina nipa de no mohweme. Ewe wiase we nyina meka ade ama tiefo. Wa dwane ekuo no Zurich family of riches. Ye bo ho ban, ye gi we free wotamfo nsem, ye bia wo kwan ma wo. Ade bia wo be fatum ne sika de ye. E betum pon ade ama wo. Emma ahoto, emma gidie, emma adepa bia de na wo hia, enye wo die. Na nyina mfasoa bia de na e wo so, endane ye die, na ahoto emma ye die. Nde me chiro mo. Whoever comes to you as a member, whoever comes to seek help, as a brotherhood, you have all seen all the initiation I've gone through. I've never used any human blood for anything. Do as what I said to you people, and whatever we all desire in life will become successful. Whoever comes to you to seek for help, check whether the person is qualified. Check the spiritual level of the person. If it is apt for you to uplift the person in the spiritual rank before you initiating the person, you do that for the person. Eye se wo be peje nipa no sumsum na ma ade bia da nipa no beji tumi da nipa no beji no endi nipa no chi emfa ahoto ma nipa no die enti se won ye sama nipa no na ahoto ye nipa no die na ahoto ye nyina die ekokopene Zurich brotherhood de no fa ho ade ama mpanyufo no na mpanyufo no agi we fru tamfo nsem ebie wo kwan ma wo na wo anya sika so aka ho ade ama ekuo no meka ade ama tiefo nyina benefit ewa mfasoa de na ewa brotherhood no o join brotherhood no ye gi we free utamfo nsem ye bia okwan ma wo na wa anya sika 3 days for initiation no ye fa 3 days ade ya mamre de na kire se nipa bia de na o ye qualify ewa brotherhood no nipa na ba wo be ya mamre de na kire se won ye de na wo ya mamra nipa no wo ho obi wo ho fin do on so fin do so e won so wo be yi fin na e won so wo be bone hu ban ade ama ewiase ne ade na nipa bia ntimi fa haw ade ago no so emma ahoto enye ne die. That is the main target, or that is the main priority of becoming the brotherhood. When you join the brotherhood, we protect you from your enemies and open all your chances for you, and above all, we uplift you in the spiritual rank, and whatever you desire in life will become possible for you. If you join the Zurich family, blessings, love, fame, power, wisdom will be given to you as a brother. We love you as the way we love ourselves as a brother. We tell you what you do. As the yearly rich, we meet to discuss whatever we do so that the brotherhood will go forward. Yetinas ne aka adikro de nebeye na brotherhood na ntimi ko enim. Nde omu nyina ye grandmasters de no mu baye. Nde nyina ma peja omo ekokopini sumsum asem. Ma chiro omo adikro de no be fa ekokoma omo members e wo sa krom de no mu free no. Na adipa bia de na nipa ne hia na hoto enye nyina die. Na adipa de ye nyina epe ekokopini Zurich brotherhood no. Na njina nipansa na hoto eni yedie eni ekoenim endani yedie na hoto enye yedie. The brotherhood of love, the brotherhood of success, the brotherhood of prosperity. Never, whoever is a member of the brotherhood, if the person gets money and becomes so much excited, never let the person promise whatever he can do. Madinipan enka asem de nobet maye. If you let the person say whatever he can do, beyond every time of it, it becomes a problem to you, the grandmasters. Because let the person say what he can do for the spirit. If the person say what he can do, it becomes a problem to both of us. It becomes a problem to all of us. Let the person say what he can do to the brotherhood. Let the person say what he can do to the spirit. And success and glory will be given to the Zurich family. We show each other love. When the person comes, tell the person the necessary initiation. Tell the person what the sacrifice that is involved. And tell the person the benefit. It's not a force for somebody to become part of the brotherhood. If the person decides that he wants to be part of the brotherhood, you have to check the spiritual level. First, you have to see how level does the person's spiritual level goes contrary with the spirit. If you find out, you tell the person the necessary items that is involved.
If the person is capable of doing the sacrifice, he absolutely become a member. If he can provide the sacrifice, you tell the person that the world is not a race. The world is not a race. He should go back and prepare himself and come back for the correct initiation. Whoever comes to you, you have to tell the person the benefit that is involved in the brotherhood. When you join the brotherhood, we protect you from your enemies and open all your chances for you. And above all, you become rich. The very day of the initiation, the final day of the initiation, the 3 days initiation, that is the day that the person is supposed to know that he has started making money. That is the day that the person should know that he has started making money. Let the person know that is the day that he has been fortified. Let the person know that day that he has become a man of power, of riches, of protection. Fortify the person in the spiritual rank and let whatever he desires become possible for him. In the Brotherhood of Zurich, protection is our number one priority. Above the protection and riches and blessings is our number one priority. And after that, let the person enjoy the wealth, the riches that the Spirit has blessed him with. And let glory comes to the Zurich family.